In this video, I will show you how to fake stop motion in Premiere Pro. Well, this is very easy thing to do. So first of all, you have to go to the effects center here. If you're not able to find your effects, go to the windows and make sure there's a tick mark beside effect. Now here in the search bar, you have to write posterize time. So here you will get this option of posterize time under times folder here. Click and hold and drag it to your clip. Now this is my clip. Now here you can see on my effect control, there will be a new option of posterize time. Now I will just select here, you can see frame rates up to 5 and hit the enter. Now when I just play this video, you will see there is a difference, right? You can see there has been reduction of 5 frames per seconds, right? So if I just want to twerk it more, I will just make it 2 frame rates, and now you can see it will be more fake stop motion, right? So this is how you can just play with it. And if you found this video, make sure to like this video, subscribe.